Here again, I'm not talking about the holidays. It is, of course, the holidays coming up, but also open enrollment for health care coverage. But it can be hard to keep track of all those changes made to that sign-up process and how to avoid those penalties if there are some. Now joined by Daniel Arreola, who joins an insurance agency here to talk a little bit about that. First of all, your agency is called?
Health Enrollment Center Agency.
Fantastic. So who does this affect? Because we're talking about not necessarily the people that are covered by a corporate plan. This is something different. This
is going to affect people who don't have a corporate plan, so they're not on a group insurance plan like many people are, or they're self-employed, so same thing. You know, they're one or two employees, or just one guy who's a construction worker or a roofer or a bakery shop owner, and they have to pay for their own health insurance on an individual level. Or people who work somewhere and the insurance isn't offered. So this is interesting because even though we've had this for about a year now, there are some changes for this year. So what are the significant changes that need to be addressed going into this before you sign up? Yeah, great question. The big changes this year are that obviously the penalty is way higher this year. So it's $700 for an adult, $350 for a child, and $2,100 for a family, or up to 2.5% of your gross income, whichever is greater. So it's a huge change from the previous year. And another change is obviously a lot more people are insured this year, which is great, but a lot of people are in a plan that is getting significantly rate increased, sometimes as much as 11, sometimes even 15%. So a lot of people are going to want to be moving, as opposed to last year where a lot of people stay in the same plan they were in.
And you're wanting to help people get enrolled and, of course, get information about that.
Absolutely, absolutely. And our services are 100% free, which is great. You know, we are compensated by the insurance company, and our rates are the same, which is great. So it's the same rate you get if you call them direct, but you get free customer service from us and free help, whether it be an application or even answer questions about your current plan you have now if you're not sure what to do.
I think a lot of people want that. Just an opportunity to have somebody to kind of help them through the process. So Daniel, tell me, if somebody's watching this and they need some help, what's the best way to get in touch with you and to get some help?
The best way to get in touch with us is you know, probably our website, or you can give us a call. Our website is www.heccares.com, or our number, you can call us direct, which is a Macomb County number at 586-200-1099. Pretty easy to remember for all you guys that are 1099 out there.
Yeah. Let's talk about some deadlines, because there is a deadline. You must enroll by a particular deadline, and also how long do people have to sign up, because it's just coming out now.
They have, the enrollment started yesterday. They have until January 31st. That's the deadline. After that, you cannot enroll unless it's a special enrollment or a qualifying event. But if you want coverage by January 1st, or you want to change your plan, you have to pick a plan by December 15th, no later.
And there's different plans for different people. We mentioned single, couple, families, whatnot.
Absolutely. And one of the big mistakes people make, I find, when they come and see me or they give us a call, is they'll do it themselves, and they sign up for a plan that's either way too expensive for them because they think that's the best plan, and they don't realize there's 10 other plans that can do the same thing, or they sign up for the least expensive plan and they realize that they can't find a doctor that takes it. So we want to make sure, more than anything, we make sure the plan fits their price, the deductible they want, and the doctor network. That's the most important thing.
Knowledge is power. So get all that knowledge from you guys and then make a good decision. Daniel, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much for having me.
You bet. Best of luck.